Guys, there was some small glitch. I think my stand fell off. I'm really sorry. Karan, I think he should be back. Karan, I'm really sorry. My stand
No
actually
problem.
fell off.
And I
I'm
don't know
really
what to
sorry,
do, by
buddy.
the way. I don't understand Instagram, so I think I was in live. I think
Really,
I'm not.
really sorry.
No
Really
problem.
sorry. Okay, so we were on this point that now, that you've been for 15 years working in the industry and sort of looking at the new horizon ahead. When is your movie, your own directed debut going to be coming out?
See, when I don't know. I've started writing it. So luckily,
Oh wow.
my story has been approved by a producer, so that's a good thing. But I told you, as you said, we were talking about hurdles before. So there are a lot of hurdles. So I think the day I go on shoot now, I think that day I'll be like, okay, up my movie is happening. So till that time, ads are there. Ads are fun. You get to get as you've seen, you get to work with great people and good budgets and things like that and all. So that time that practice is going on. Hopefully, if everything falls in place, things have basically started to fall in place. But till you go on
Hmm.
set, you don't know. So let's see. Yeah, hopefully soon. I think soon would be a safe thing to say.
Nice. Nice. So now, fortunately, unfortunately, because of this technical stand issue, we
Hmm.
have a little more time to push. So I'm going to quickly take a few more questions from the audience, and I'm going to ask them if they want to hear some more stories. But first, I'm going to start with the questions.
Hmm.
So one of the questions they asked was, which film has inspired you the most and why?
Uh, which film? I told you I'm never a film buff. Yeah. I enjoy the making of the film, in a sense. So I don't think. I think the only film I'll say that inspired me is Dil Chahta, as I told you, because that story of Dil Chahta hai ki boss, this is the kind of cinema I wanted to make back then, and that pushed me to get into filmmaking, in Hindi filmmaking basically. So I would say that.
Hmm.
And somewhere in the line, when I started getting more serious, I forgot about it. I guess journey just takes you somewhere else. So I think Farhan,
Yeah.
by the way, I've never met Farhan Akhtar after that.
I was just going to ask you, have you ever
No,
like,
actually, I
got a
met him.
chance to
No.
come?
Actually, I met him. There's a friend of mine, my colleague LP. She worked with him, and also, in fact, I'd met him during Rock On 2, but it was in a party, so
Oh wow.
I actually didn't basically tell him the story, and now I feel embarrassed to say it also to him at least. But yeah, he played a big role. He unknowingly played a big role. Big role.
Yeah, yeah,
But the good thing is,
yeah.
I eventually I picked the right director, because I picked Farhan Akhtar. He stopped directing. He became an actor. So I think eventually, destiny picked the right director for me, which is Raju sir.
Oh, nice. Yeah, definitely, definitely. I mean, things have a way of working out, I think, for the best. There's another question someone's asked us. What is your favorite commercial other than the ones that you've already directed?
Uh, Now ki pehle ka. So,
Whenever, maybe
I
during
think,
or
and my favorite commercial actually was, and I don't know if you've seen this, Happy Dent. It was done by Ram Madhwani.
okay.
Fantastic. I think it was one of the few commercials where the idea was amazing. Sometimes commercials have amazing ideas, but the execution is not. That had everything. It was an amazing idea and amazing execution. I don't know, have you seen it? It's a Happy Dent famous ad where one guy is walking around, and everything that you see instead of lights at night are people
It's
with
yeah, yeah, yeah. It's
with
getting lit up. Correct.
with the teeth, thanks to Happy Dent, are white and they're like lights. I think
Correct,
that
correct.
would be the best. I mean, amazing idea and lovely execution. I think that
I
was
think that had a car also with the guys
people. Yeah, fantastic. I'm
attached.
telling you that had overall had a. I mean, I mean, it was years back. I still remember it very clearly. Amazing execution, story, everything. Yeah, fantastic. And I think it won
Yeah,
a few awards abroad also. I
yeah.
know.
Oh, really?
Fantastic. Hmm.
Okay, someone else has also asked another question. Do you see a change in the type of cinema post-COVID? And will there be a change in what the consumers want to see?
I think that's a tricky question, actually. Yes, there would be a change, or there would not be a change, because right now, everyone is confused, right? In general, what's the, is our life going to change in general after this? So I think writing right now is not going to change because we are, writing happens with experiences. What you experience, you write. So right now we have not actually started going outside, working, and seeing the change. So I don't
Hmm.
know if things are going to change or no as of now. But it's a tricky thing. Yeah, I don't know, to be very honest, if things are going to change post COVID. At least a way of writing is going to change. A way of cinema viewing is going to change. But I hope not.
I think that's pretty interesting because a lot of people are having these mixed emotions right now of how everything is gonna turn up. I think one of your friend is there with us because he's definitely asked a question that only a friend would know.
I think
How
let's
does the
ignore.
life
Let's
of
ignore those questions.
a
Let's ignore those questions.
okay, so we're going to ignore that question by demand of the guest. Okay, another question someone asked us is what genre of films would you like to make?
Uh, you know, I don't have genres actually. I don't have. I think it's a word of subject because I like all in general. I like a great horror film, thriller. One of my favorite films, Hollywood films back when I started actually watching films and reading the credits after getting to film school was Sixth Sense, and I like those kind also. So I don't have a specific genre. Anything that
Hmm.
entertains. So I would like पहला वाला तो बनाने दो. After that, let's see. No
Nice.
specific. No कि यही.
No specific.
No, nothing specific.
So, but then, again, this is also something which I really wanted to ask you, and someone has also asked in the audience if you ever had a chance to sort of remake any classic, which one would it be?
Bollywood or Hollywood?
Uh, Depends your preference. You could name one Bollywood and one Hollywood also.
Bollywood, Andaz Apna Apna. Dude, I'm telling you, if I could make Andaz Apna Apna would be like amazing. Uh, you know,
Nice.
uh, Hollywood would be like, I would go more conventional answer, like a Godfather. That era, that feel, that,
Classic.
kind
Yeah,
of
yeah.
would be. So yeah, completely two different genres and styles.
Nice, nice. Okay, okay. So I think most of the other questions are done from the audience. I'm going to ask them really quick if they want to ask you a few more things. And again, really apologize, Karan, with the whole technical
No,
glitch happened.
no problem. No problem.
Now the session is probably now going to get saved as per what my sisters told me. So hopefully this little piece is what we have with all the question answers.
No, no problem.
But it was nonetheless, it was really fun. I'm just going to wait for a few more minutes. Let's see what any other questions if the audience has. We can ask Karan. He's kind enough to hold on for a few more minutes with us.
I think now only my friends are left. All your normal people have gone. So all the new people are coming. Our old friend related ones.
Ah. No, probably. I think I do see a few new faces coming who did miss the earlier timing as well. But any other stories that you'd want to share? Till if somebody like a small anecdote maybe that happened on set or maybe during PK or something during Sanju, maybe a latest movie that I think latest was Sanju, right? In terms of the
Yeah, but
chronological order.
Sanju, I basically did a song. I directed a song in it.
Okay, okay.
But yeah, I mean, you asked me what I will give you one an anecdote related to whichever movie or something like that. I'll answer anything specific.
Okay. Not anything specific as such. Maybe so. Maybe during working on the song, what role were you playing? Were you playing
No,
on?
actually, I'll tell you what the song. I was directing the song, and Raju sir was basically director producer of the film, and he said, "Okay, Karan, you're going to do this song." So I said, "Wow!" It was a drug song. I said, "Fantastic." Uh, he gave me the song, and that time the audio wasn't of A.R. Rahman because that time A.R. Rahman wasn't there. It was another song altogether,
Oh,
and
okay.
and he told me, okay, listen, you want to shoot this. So you won't believe I would go sit with Ranbir whenever I would get free and talk to him and we do it this way, that way, X, Y, Z. And eventually when I went on set, I realized I went back to film school, but Raju sir gave me nothing. He said, okay, listen, we're going to shoot this song in this way. Whenever I finish on the day and wherever I am, you're going to be using your creativity and changing your. Because I had written a whole thing of how the song is going to be, and this is what I want, and X, Y, Z. And if you've seen the song, there were a lot more sequences in the movie. Eventually, only a part of it came in because I just cuts off most of the things. Uh,
Hmm.
so it was a little VFX heavy. I like VFX and all that. So you won't believe, the starting of the song is basically, he calls me one day and said, okay, listen, I'm changing the starting of the song. You are not going to get a set to shoot it. You come up with another idea, and we're shooting tomorrow in town. You need to come and shoot over there. Now come up with an idea which I would like. So now I have to first understand. So I call out the production guy. Listen, where are you shooting? What is the set? And they tell me it's not a set. It's a bungalow at Pedder Road. So I was like, okay. Then I said, send me the pictures. And I'm not kidding. I had a whole, sequence in the beginning for the song. The song will open this way, and the whole thing. Uh, whereas it now come down to verse.
Bungalow.
And I was like, okay, fine. I saw the pictures, and it is UG's Road. Yeah, where I mean, they're shooting in a bungalow inside. I can't shoot in the bungalow. I'm like, what should I do? So I said, sir, and I'm not getting ideas. And listen, you're a creative person. Come up with an idea. Sell me the idea. So then the idea, was like, I said, what to do. So the only thing I found interesting was, outside the bungalow, which was basically I could see the Hughes Road and the bridge, which is a Kemp's Corner Bridge. Okay, because the bungalow from outside doesn't look nice. So and then I called the TP, and it was Ravi sir, fantastic guy. And I told him, okay, Ravi sir, I went for Recce. I said, this is my frame. Now tell me how we can hide these things. What can we do? Lighting, noise. And then, then the whole idea basically came in. I'll put a STD boot over there, just outside. We will try some trail lights. We'll have some other lights inside a truck scenario. So that's what
Nice.
basically,
Okay.
So yeah, I mean, that's how the song started. And then obviously I got one day of green screen with these guys and all. And it was fun. And Ranveer also very chilled out. He's not someone who wants a full tam jam coming in. And you're like, cool, what do you want to do here?
Yeah.
Do it. So yeah, it was more film school style, yeah, with minimum people, 4, 5 of
Nice.
us, and shooting. Obviously, on the
Okay.
green screen,
Okay.
there are many, but the normal shots were taken
Correct. Correct.
in that way.
Okay. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. I have 2, 3 other questions that I've just got. One is, if you had a chance to work with a Hollywood actor,
Hmm.
who would it be?
Uh, who would it be? A lot of them, yeah, actually. Uh, actually, I don't know why. I just love Johnny Depp. I think he's fantastic.
Very versatile actor.
Then Leo, obviously, Leonardo. Everyone wants to work with him. He's the. I mean, many of them. Yeah, I mean, you can't pick and choose. Yeah, there are.
Pick and
The
choose.
cast
Yeah.
is, amazing. मतलब कुछ भी दे दो यार, I'll be happy. Any one of them, actually. So yeah, I mean, first name that comes is Johnny Depp, maybe.
Okay. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. I think I've taken up enough of your time today. So I'm gonna quickly, just conclude with something that any other tip that you would want to give, to someone who's currently in film school, someone who wants to do films. What are these few? You already spoke of passion, you already spoke of hard work. Obviously, these are important. Besides that, any other sort of, tips that you want to give to
See,
somebody who's looking to?
there's no journey in this. There's no way of going about key. There's one style to going about in this field. The only way is that you have to be sure you want to do this, because this field is about you basically, and how much you can push yourself. There's no one going to.
Hmm,
It's not going to be like how when you were a kid, your mom is going to waking you up. You get up, study, study, study. No one's going to wake you up and tell you, boss, go shoot or do something. It's how you push yourself. Yeah. And the beauty of this field is
correct.
that you actually can learn this by yourself. It's not some rocket science, and it's about
Hmm,
expressing yourself and hoping that what you're expressing is what people like. So it's about improving and realizing what people like. So it's basically pushing yourself. That's what I would say. Nothing else
correct.
for the other
Correct.
thing.
Correct.
You know.
Along with the junoon and hard work that you mentioned earlier.
Yes, completely.
Makes sense. Makes sense. Correct. So, I think we are going to definitely look forward to your script, your movie that hopefully all of us are going to get to see very soon. And I think, unfortunately, we'll have to end the conversation right now.
Cool.
So again, thank you, Karan. Thank you so much for giving
Great.
us time. And again, apology from my end for the whole technical snag. I wish I could have
Dude, I don't understand. I
done this,
understand
but
this.
no, but I hope this will probably give the audience a reason for us to reply back to us saying we want Karan to come for another session, maybe in the coming few months, and we would love that.
Okay, cool. Chal. Thanks, buddy. Thanks,
Yep,
Avyash.
thank you so much, thank you. So you guys can definitely get in touch with us if you want to get in touch with Karan, ask him some questions, and yeah, thank you guys for coming. Thanks, Karan. Thank you again. All right, so Karan's left. Again, apology to all you guys. There was yeah, there we're getting people saying they want to have the session again. All right, I'm going to also end because the guest is left the house. So thank you guys. Thank you for attending again. And yeah, hope to see you guys on next session. We have Tanuj coming in as a chef for the 6th. A very interesting session. Do stay tuned for that as well. Thank you. Bye bye. Namaste.